to all of you of class 8th students. I am very glad to have this opportunity to teach you science, but it's my pleasure that when you stay at home, stay safe. You do not save only yourself, but you also save the neighbors, the entire whole country. So I am very glad to have this opportunity to teach you science. This is class 8th science. Now in today we have to study about the crop seasons in India. So we have a description on crop seasons in India, class 8th student science. Crop seasons in India. As we all know, that all crops do not grow in all time or season. So we have to classify crops according to their growth of we have to classify crops according to season. There are three types of seasons. Rabi, Kharif, and summer crops. Rabi crops are sown in winter season, generally in October, November, and harvested in March. While Kharif crops are sown in summer season. You can say in beginning of rainy season and harvested in October, September, October. As summer crops are rice, maize, jowar, coconut, pulses, soybean. Kharif crops are also sown. Now we have some basic agricultural practices. I had already given definitions of this one. In previous class, Rabi crops are sown in October, November, and harvested in March, April. That is wheat, some pulses, mustard, peas, etc. Kharif are sown in beginning of rainy season and are harvested in November, December. Paddy, maize, soybean, etc. Third one is Zaid crops. Summer crops, that is the also called, you write it here, Zaid crops are sown in January, February. And harvested in June, July. That is watermelon, muskmelon, तरबूज वगैरह जिसको कहते हो ये. Wash your hand. Once again I am just reminding you, wash your hands. Basic agriculture practices. To raise the crops successfully and have a bumper produce, a farmer follows several practices step by step and uses a variety of tools. फसलों की अच्छे उत्पादन के लिए किसान कई प्रकार के नियमों का या कई प्रकार के विधियों का प्रयोग करता है, वो भी क्रमबद्ध विधि का, These practices are called basic agricultural practices. इसमें आता है पहले मिट्टी की तैयारी करना, जिसमें प्लोइंग है, लेवलिंग है, सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स है, मेथड्स ऑफ सोइंग सीड्स है, ट्रांसप्लांटेशन है, मैन्यूर्स है, फर्टिलाइजर्स है, इरिगेशन है, ट्रेडिशनल इरिगेशन है, मॉडर्न इरिगेशन है, टाइप्स ऑफ इरिगेशंस में। उसके बाद है वीडिंग है, टेस्ट ऑफ वीडिंग्स है, स्टोरेज ऑफ ग्रेन्स हैं, और मेथड्स ऑफ ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन आगे चला गया। तो सम बेसिक एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस आर farmers practice step by step is first preparation of soil, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल में क्या क्या आता है? प्लोइंग, लेवलिंग, सीड क्वालिटी, उसके बाद सिलेक्शन एंड सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स। सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स, अब उसमें है सीड क्वालिटी, मेथड ऑफ सोइंग सीड्स, ट्रांसप्लांटेशन, उसके बाद थर्ड है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मैन्यूर्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स। Fourth one, irrigation. There are several modes of irrigation and methods of irrigation: traditional method, modern method. Traditional method, ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में मोट, राहत, करीम जिसको बोलते हैं, मोट, राहत, ढेकी, चेन, ढेकली बोलते हैं उसको। मॉडर्न मेथड में आपको ड्रिप, स्प्रिंकल, स्प्रिंकलिंग, एक्सेट्रा।